Use a damn charity case. You know that? A hell of a charity case at that.
At your house and put up some of them vase and some valves and mess with them. So just remember that. Stop walk and show off for yourself.
Marcia, years you're there out here. Eyes will have and we can't see. Ears will have and we can't hear. I'm going to talk about the real people them. You're not a big deal. Nobody no remember your name yet.
Bad mind people.
Somebody call 99 FM to in front of the class.
Why the Lord is busy. What do you want, devil?
Somebody call 99 FM to in front of the class.
She ain't coming. She busy. She is too busy to be listening to nonsense. Bring it.
Call 99 in front of the class. Somebody send me one video to you where she a drop out. I mean, she a drop.
The person will send it to you, tell them go suck God's self and find something better for do. Instead of giving you what you don't need, they need to give you what you really need. Get what you need. It's some applications to fill out for a goddamn apartment or something. And that's it. Somebody always sending you some shit. Always, honey.
I know say Marcia drop out pan.
I mean, no say Marcia drop out pan. How you know?
Marcia drop out pan. Nobody else but Marcia drop out pan.
I'm sure nobody no remember she. Time cold. She did there and I play. Like she look like one of them rolling, bouncing beach ball. Make she go ahead. You have low self-esteem, baby. That ain't her problem. It ain't her problem, it ain't her fault.
Yeah, me address her. I mean, I make money off of this. It's a free video. I mean, I make money off of it.
You need money. Stop saying that you don't need when you in need. Go ahead.
The video. Because I know say Marcia talk. Me I bet you say.
Me I bet you say she not talk to you. Me I bet you $600 say she not talk to you. You're just Nuff. She talk to you about what? A friend, y'all look. Nobody not look, my friend. Jesus is up and running.
Yeah, me she talking. Because today I talk about her case, so she want to come back for.
Of course you would. Nobody not talk to you. You're not even in the back of the class. You know what? The people that will watch you is just as cuckoo as the fuck you is. You know that? Just as cuckoo as you is. You have time to talk about people and you don't have nowhere to live? You better go to the courts and handle that shit.
Think it's you. She all have a smirk on her face when she did it. That's
so what? She's not supposed to have a smile and a smirk on her face. I beg your pardon? You love woman too much. She don't need a body security. Thank you. You love watch woman too much. She can't talk where she talk. Where I send your missionaries them over there for? Is it their business? No. Mind your business and shut up. Get your little apartment. That would bring shame out of your eye. What is petty? She come out, she off. I listened to it. She wasn't talking about you. She don't know no flying objects. Girl. With them foggy ass glasses. She was not. You always look something. If you're going to look, listen, if you're going to beg something, you beg it the right way, all right? This ain't the way to do it. Wasn't nobody talking to you, honey.
You know, so she a troublemaker because... Yeah,
she ain't no troublemaker. All you ugly ass bats is troublemaker. She ain't no troublemaker. Sorry for you.
No, me know say I fear away if you make trouble.
You don't know nothing about her. You coulda, shoulda, but you didn't. Sorry ass.
What makes you stay there? Yes, I mean,
you have no choice but to make her stay there. You look very stupid. From America to Africa to Jamaica to Haiti and back. Bitch, you look dumb as hell. Ain't nobody talking about you. Don't talk about her. She wasn't talking about you. None of y'all ain't about to wipe that lady's name with shit. She was not. I say it because, you know, I was raised over here. You ain't in her league.
I drop out pan because You know, say me.
I mean, if you go and look some goddamn ambition, then you wouldn't feel like that. You don't have no ambition. That's probably why you be feeling all insecure. Is she talking about me? Is she talking about me? No, she's not talking about you. Go and get you a life.
Famous name out there called Cheap and Clean Store. Me come here to address her.
You ain't come here to address shit. You came out here to tell the people how of a prime example of a jackass you is, and that's it. Boss lady busy. Everybody else is busy. Everybody on their eyes on their prize. What about you? You can't sell one sheet.
Out here have a store called Cheap and Clean. I am the only person.
When the last time you cleaned your store? When the last time you sell all your merchandise and said, you know what, I'm sold out. Let me re-up. All year long. Stagnant, fat, hell casket down.
So out here, I'm not a blogger personality where have the famous store called Cheap and Clean.
You not famous.
So she come and drop wood.
Ain't nobody, listen. That beautiful soul is all the way in Jamaica where you don't like Jamaica at all. You only use Jamaica. Okay? You over here in the United States of America, it's cold as hell, and bitch, you homeless for no fucking reason at all. You put yourself somewhere and trying to talk about some, oh, my name is Sexy Curly. Oh, bullshit. And I cares what nobody say at this point. Because I know that the Lord and the good God that I serve, I see her being busy. You gonna kiss what the sun don't shine this morning, kakayai. Take your badoof buff ass out somewhere else. That's cause everything is going on and your name ain't, you ain't big deal. Your name ain't nowhere around, so you trying to fit in. Ain't no poking, bitch. You need to go and get to know the Lord. Every time I just look at your big ass in this, I just be like, you better get right with God. Go on and do it now.
If you look all over in your house right now, the sheet where you lie down pan.
The sheet where she lay down pan is not your pissy sheet. I'm more of to the one them where you have. First of all, your curtain them look like bathroom. Your curtain them in your room look like bathroom curtain. The drape them go so it look like your drawers. Anybody can be crazy. This is somebody like you. All the people that will live in a cardboard box and tent better than you.
Your vase and your vase and your clothes.
Yeah, them red. You don't have nothing, but you want to talk about the vase, the clothes. None of that. You can't look like the woman no day at all. Marcia, I swear to God for my soul. Oh, Jesus, for your black foot. You can't be like her no day. No call her for nothing. It's bullshit. That's why I give the Lord thanks. She can't hear that. I just something you need want to do. Use an eyeglass.
It's the way you have on your shoes.
I want to watch people, so. Y'all get paid for it?
And everything where you have on.
Yes.
None of them are Gucci or Prada.
Shouldn't you have your priorities set straight instead of effed up? What would you want her to behave like? What you want her to behave like? She not. Beauty in the eyes of the Lord and the millions of people who love her around the world. Excuse me. Heleba casket, darling.
Maybe like 1 and 2. And I don't think it's a real thing. You have to show me the receipt and the story.
No, she don't have to show you a motherfucking thing. Show us what you have. Show us that you went to court. Show us that you asked and begged on your bending knees for extension. She's not showing you shit. Grow up.
When I buy it. Because the fake one. So I am here to tell you. All the decoration them that you have in your house, all them vase and them decoration and curtain are cheap and clean. The same place which for Carol shop are the same place.
Don't worry about where Carol shop. Them look good, don't. Don't worry about them. You have drunkard spirit. Bad mind, hell about drunkard spirit, hell about you, hell about everything. Yes, don't worry about where they shop. Where the hell you shop? And
a Carol shop for you. And carry them.
And so what? Well, Well, I'll be damned. Well, if I got me a friend, and my friend can shop for me, honey, what's wrong with that? Drunk or spirit told her no. That's cause she ain't got nobody. All you do a mooch out for your friend them. We have a little bit of shillings and coin, you know. That's all you do, you know. You don't have nothing on your own. You can't push one for make two. You can't. And I'm serious. Everywhere you go, people gotta feed your stomach. Everywhere you go.
No. So when you talk about cheap and clean, let me enlighten you.
Don't enlighten shit. When you talk about cheap and pissy from that mongrel cat that you got, how you know the people want the cat fur hair on their shit, like how it's all over your car? Anything that shadow, we support that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. The only reason why I want to fight her don't like that is because I want to know say a whole heap of people love and rate and love her out there. So you understand? I'm afraid so she gonna get showered with gift, but she get showered with blessings anyway. I it not mad about. I don't know what kind of message you want get. Don't give her no message. I don't want you give her no message. You are none of your friend them give her no message. Message I go right back to you.
Marshall, and all of them places there.
All of them places there. You talking about some all of them places there and you ain't got no goddamn where to live. You ain't got nowhere to live. But you talking about all these goddamn stores.
You understand? So when you talk about cheap and clean, just remember say cheap and clean you lie down pan.
I don't give a damn what she lying down on.
You're not lying down on a Chanel. You're not lying down on a Gucci.
She don't have to lie down on Chanel. She don't have to lie down on Gucci. She don't have to lie down on shit. This is one thing we love about her, reject. All of what y'all want her to do, she's not gonna do it. Show off, bring disgrace. He's a fucking disgrace. That's all you is. You ain't about to pick. No, because you have to remember this, mouse here with the cockayard. You have to remember this. When you was given the M16 and I shoot them on fire in a bad word. You never know, say a day like this, it was enough, it's enough. Bitch, you go find you a job, find you something else to talk about, but because you don't compare. You don't have one goddamn place to go. I mean, look at you. You in Connecticut and riding around looking like a whole hillbilly. Look at you.
Remember, say me you get inspiration from the decoration.
Inspiration from who for what? To be homeless? To have roach marching banner go on your chest and you act like you don't feel it? Then to be having supper and wine and drink with the roaches. You really? Inspiration from who? Use a damn charity case. You know that? A hell of a charity case at that.
Get your house and put up some of them vase and some valves and mess with them. So just remember that. Stop walk and show off for yourself.
Marcia, years you're there out here. Eyes will have and we can't see. Ears will have and we can't hear. I mean, I talk about the real people them. Marcia, you're talking a bunch of bullshit right now. Right? This is why we want you to put down the American flag sometimes. Because you're a total fucking embarrassment to your own flag and the American flag. Bitch, I think I need to switch hats or something like that while you run your goddamn mouth.
Your ass cake and it's too expensive. Your cake is no more special than nobody cake.
If you can't afford it, there's people out there. I just said the people, them just, some of them just nasty. Them skip over good people. It's there for anyone to get it. And if you can't afford it, guess what? It's all good. A prayer do, love do, anything other than you and your friends bullshit. What you talking about? Cake expensive. How far is it coming, bitch?
Stop walk and go on like say you. She
gonna walk and go on like anything she wanna go on like. I bet you she is. She ain't got no time for y'all tired slut bags. That's all you is. All you do is talk about Peters that don't want you.
Experience like you have caviar in a cake.
It doesn't matter. She have gold in a cake, gold of Jesus.
Oh, so you have pay expensive stuff. What else?
Yes, it's expensive. Because, bitch, you can't afford it over here. And by the boat, don't you know that what's wrong with you? That means say no, Marcia. That means say the people them right. Every blood clot way you, because you love chick bad word, you know. Everywhere you go, people have to pay a fee. Because only people like you chat so. You see, if you once they have to pay for something without somebody feeling sorry for you, you're a hell of a charity case.
So you put in a cake different from nobody else than the regular ingredient.
Honey, good heart, good soul, love, forgiveness. She put all of it in it, honey. She ain't worried. Even when she tired, she be up. You know what ambition is? Go find it.
Yes, you tell me now, do you have any caviar in there?
Yes, she have caviar in there. She have everything in there. Mind your business. What do you have in your sheets? What? Your mongrel cat piss and fur?
You have any gold dripping in there? No, you don't.
Yes, baby. Yes. Yes. She have on all the proper gear, and she is very clean. And I'm talking about the kitchen, the oven, and everything. Ooh, it is spotless. So we paying for all that. We paying for how she just keeps still. No matter how much y'all doing like Jesus. Because when y'all doing like Jesus, you know what he say? How you ugly ass, you know what he say? He say, you know what? Stay focused, my daughter. Even when you're tired, I'm going to still make you be up. Yeah, I'm going to make you get some rest. You know them language there? Go and sit down. You're not a big deal. Nobody don't remember your name yet.
Don't. You have to stop it. You're not learning with this bragging business.
You know what she shall learn? Only they want her out there by herself. But you know the Lord set up that lady. That beautiful soul. If I was on her, I would have shut up from now. Because the whole of them would look a ton heart and ton mind. And while the whole of them look like your yai. If I was on her, I would have shut up. You know, so I'm a one on up on a daily. An idiot. Look by you. I'm a big deal. Yeah, Marcia, ever bless. You a big deal. Why? The Lord said, Yo, me have to laugh because I watch you know. Don't know why I laugh after the truth, you know. But the Jamaica where me come from, when we see embarrassing shit like this, honey, we have to laugh. Go on, pathetic.
I mean, I make this video if you make money, because I mean, I make video.
Yes, you is. You got 253 people. Which one of them? 253 people that liked and laughed at your shit. Which one of them gonna put you in their basement?
Are the same ingredients.
Well, y'all look somebody for put you up. Some people can make this right here, so. I make it with a messed up art with no love behind it. And that will shrink them business. Because it's a part of business. You is a part of your business and you shit up. It's hard to know when you tell her the truth because we can't look you in your eyes for shit. You's a whole headache. You ain't sending her nothing.
You wanted the support and the people them support you. Now you get big now. You feel like
girl, she been big. Big up to the people them. Well, love her, including myself. But I know we come first, bitch. Why you keep on forgetting that man upstairs?
Poor people them. But remember the same poor people them that line up at your house. When you
seeing poor people them, don't try to make her feel bad because I'm gonna make sure that she don't give one hell about what you saying. We over here. I said we. That means it ain't just me. We love her. We see what she doing. Now, if she was in a closed-in area with our sister transparent, then y'all could have said and fooled everybody. But the Lord is good, bitch. Back up.
the cake reasonable, Jamaicans can afford your cake. Because
If the Jamaican people them can't afford our cake, I just told them what to do. You mind your goddamn business. They're not worried about it. The year before last, me never get no cake. Because I never know what me da do. Me da just do foolishness. I ordered the wrong, you know, messing up my order. And I finally got it. I said, good God Almighty. So what's the problem? Don't worry about her sugar and butter. As a matter of fact, that's her bread, bitch.